Precious when you smile. Yeah. Had to let you know you're mine.
Blinding. Okay, good morning everyone. It's my first day of college. Well, I'm a third year, but it's the first day of school, so I'm running late. As usual, it's 8:13. I'm supposed to meet my friend at 8. I'll show you all my outfit of the day later. I'm trying to do side parts now, but I don't really like how it looks when it's wet. This lighting is so perfect by my window. Like the sun rises over here.
Oh, that's your man. I'll take your man.
Okay. It's Alex. This is our ritual. She already finished because I was running late. But I got a salmon bagel with tomato on top. The toaster was broken, so my bagel is cold. And this is orange and cranberry juice mixed. I'm gonna eat. Not as packed because it's not that late, but still too many people here. Leave it to UCLA to have people cheering this early in the morning. I think Robert, that ain't Robert. That is Robert. Where? Which side? Over the left. Oh wait, that's not Robert. I was like, that guy. I'm so confused. I think I got a free water. What's up? Oh, this is so nice. You got a free water too? They have maps if you're lost. Can't relate to the mood, to be honest. Bro, he's never gonna leave. Literally. What a great way to start the first day.
Precious when you smile. Yeah. Just had to let you know you're.
She's going to her class. This is Alexis. You're in the vlog now. Bye. They have a class at 9, but mine doesn't start till 9:30. Lunch. Got Taco Bell quesadillas. So I got off work at 3:30. And class starts at 3:30, so I'm late.
Start off by saying that I don't think she's a person. I don't even think she's human. She's one of five.
Okay, so I just got back from literally probably one of the longest days of my life. I had class at 9:30, but I got up at like 6. Then I had a small break. Then I had work from 12:30 to 4. Then I left work early because I had class starting at 3:30. Then I had class from 3:30 to 4:30. Then I had a class from 5 to 6. Then I had a meeting from 6 to like 7:30, but I left the meeting early because I have like work for my second job. So, and this shift is gonna be from 8 p.m. to like midnight. So it's gonna be a long day. And I have an event for my job that's supposed to be at 8:30. I'm about to just like get my shit together because I'm obviously a hot mess right now. Yeah, this has been a pretty busy day. I think I'm just gonna sign off the vlog here. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you like this video, then you'll probably like my other videos. So, you know, check out my channel, you know, browse around. That was really corny, but yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Please ignore this ugly ass pimple. Oh my goodness.